Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video we are going to cover the tuples part in Python. So in the last section we have covered about the list part. So if you have not watched that video, then I will provide a link down in the description. You can check out the video there. Okay, so what is a tuple? So tuple is the, you can say, just similar to list, but the only difference between a list and a tuple is that the lists are mutable and the tuples are immutable. That means you cannot change the value inside of the tuple, but you can change the value inside of a list. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So let me just make a list first. So I'm saying list 1, and let us make a numeric list this time. 1 2 3 4 5, and let me print the list. Okay, oops. Okay, so here you can see that we have our list here. Let me just clear the terminal and run again. Okay, so here we have our list. Now for any reason, if we want to change any value inside of the list, then we can do uh, it something like this: list underscore 1, and and we want to change the, let's say, 0th index, and we want to change it to 6 for some reason. And let me just print the list again. So list 1, and now you can see that we have changed the value of the first index inside of the list. So this is how you can change or mutate the values inside of a list. The similar thing in case of tuple. Let me make a tuple. So if you want to make a tuple, then you can use uh, the parenthesis, or you can say small brackets, and you can write in 1 2 3 4 5, and just print the tuple. Okay, so you can see that we have the same data. Another difference between a list and the tuple is of the brackets. Tuples uses the small brackets or parentheses, whereas the list use the big brackets, whatever you call it. So let us try to change a particular index location in the tuple. All the functions which we have performed on the list, we can perform on the tuples, except for the changing values. You can perform slicing, sorting, reversing the tuple, and everything you can perform as we done on the list. But let us try to change a particular index value. Let's say I want to change the index value of the second position. So in our case, the second position is at 3. So I mean, at 0th location we have 1, at first location 2, and at second location we have 3. Oops. Okay, so if I want to change that value from 3 to, let's say, 10, and let me print the tuple. So you can see that we get an error here which says that tuple object does not support item assignment. That simply means that tuples are immutable. So that was for the tuples part. One more thing is that you can have a list of tuples. Let's say list of I'm sorry, tuples. This you can use, or you won't have tuples inside of a list if you want to show the x and y coordinates. So we can say 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4, and 5 comma 6. So let us print the list of tuples. So you can see that we have a tuple inside of a list. So now how we can access the individual tuples? So it is as simple. You can say list of tuples, and we want to grab the, let's say, 0th location. So I'm going to print the value. Let me run this. So we can get the individual tuple. Now if we want a particular value inside of a tuple, say for example I want this 1, so I can go further down by saying that I want the 0th value, or the value inside of the tuple which is present at the 0th location. So let me run this again. So you can see that we have the first location value here. Also, if we want to just print out each occurrence of the first value inside of a tuple in a list of tuple, then we can use it with the help of a for loop. We haven't discussed about for loop yet, but we are going to discuss in the coming videos. So for example, I want the first values of each tuple inside of this list. So I can say let us first have the all the tuples inside of the list. So I can say for x comma y in list of tuples, print x comma y. So you can see that we have the tuples here. Also you can do this with the help of a single variable. You don't need two variables, because Python is going to treat this x as a object, or you can say a tuple object. So let me run this. So we can see that we don't see any considerable change here, so you can use either x or x comma y. But if we want a particular value inside of the tuple, then we can say something like for x comma y in list of tuples, print x. So it is going to print the first values inside of the tuple. So here you can see 1, 3 and 5. So this is basically called tuple unpacking. So that was all for the tuple section. And one more thing, you can make tuple this way, or you can also use the tuple constructor to make a tuple. So we can say tuple 1 equals to, so if you have a ready-made list and you want to change it to a tuple, then you can just simply say tuple, and inside of the parenthesis you have to pass in the name of the list which you want to make tuple of. So let me just comment the rest of the code, and let me just print the list again. Print list 1, and sorry, we have tuple 1. Okay, so you can see that now we have a tuple from a current list. So that's all for the tuples section. See you in the next section, in which we are going to cover the sets in Python. Thank you.